Hi guys, I created a Claude Code skill for a mega business team that is compounded of a few different very well-known people. So I have Alex Hormozi for the offer part, Gary V for awareness and attention, Jay Abraham for authority and trust, Jordan Belfort for sales and closing, Robert Cialdini for desire and influence, and Russell Branson for the funnel architecture. The skill file just tells Claude how to use the skill, but the important files are the references. As you can see, each person have a reference file, which basically describes the philosophy and frameworks and the principles that they use. The files are quite long, as you can see. I don't want to go through each of them, but rather I will showcase how it works. For example, let's tell the team to help me start an AI agency. As you can see, it starts with Gary V, which handles the awareness. You see, this is a very good insight that 99% of AI agencies look exactly the same, and the reason is laziness disguised as strategy. And then it details what he means: practical identity, the different actions that cost $0. Each person also have an action step to do this week at the end. And then Jay Abraham is next, which handles the authority. It goes a step further from what Gary said. You see, this is another very well done detailed analysis. You don't build an AI agency, you build an advisory party that deploys AI. Here is Jay's hidden opportunity for this week. Robert Cialdini is next, which handles the desire and takes from what Jay said and Gary said and goes further. He explains a few things: the marketing plan, and then some action points. Then Alex Hormozi, which handles the offer, takes what the other said and goes further. He makes the offer, the math for the offer, the pricing model, the document, and some calculation that is the action point. And now Jordan Belfort goes further to the sales part, which is based on his straight line persuasion system, the structure, the differentiated sales script, and so on. And then Russell Branson, which is the last one, handles the flow and then puts all the pieces from the previous advisors together and creates a complete funnel architecture, like brand identity and so on. And at the end, there's a panel synthesis with what the advisors agreed on, highest leverage action this week, and so on. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this presentation.